Before watching, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell.
Ang fast forward. Itog lang pala yung kailangan para bumata. Ay, hindi tuturok nila doon. Magiging itlog. Magiging ano,
Magiging
sisiw. Ay, wow! Magiging dalawa yung ano niya. Mas makakanak ko.
Part 1.
Parang may gaganon bigla eh. Ay, perfect. Ganun pala yun. Ganun pala ginagawa yun.
Yun ba yung purpose ng mga ano?
Yan, nasisira pala yun. I mean, nasisira talaga siya, pero di ba ano, parang nililisan nila kasi walang ano sa nakakainis. Oh shit. Nakakainis. Parang trophy mo yan eh. Para naman kung claustrophobic yung ano, yung ambience niya. Parang green screen. Oo, parang. No. Ang dami
Sobrang
ng ano.
Kaso pag tumatanda ka nga naman pala.
Young girl in this fucking town. The next few weeks. Make it simple. We need her young. We need her hot. We need her now. No real bitch has been able to stick around for this long. That's the fucking mystery to me. Oh, Oscar winner, my ass. When was that? Back in the 30s for King Kong? No, I don't give a fuck what we promised her. This is network TV, not a fucking charity.
Oh.
Fame is not forever.
Nala talaga siya.
It's like when you see someone fart on screen. People just love that. I mean,
Parang
that's just the
makakaano.
way it is. You know me. People are just people. And I have to give people what they want. That's what keeps the shareholders happy. I'm 50. Well, it stops.
What
Hindi na
stops?
siya.
What?
What stops?
Oh, George! Oh, no! I'm sorry, I gotta run. The ratings are insane!
Dugyot. Ano ba yan? Hindi mo pa, pinunod na lang yung namayatas.
Ano ba yan?
Ay, butik na yun, dinumpat. Tatanggalin na. Ala! Ganun matanggalin yun, hindi naman
Ay!
maalis.
Hindi naman. Pero
Ay, shit!
okay.
It's your lucky day in a sparkle because we have x-rayed you from head to toe. You don't have so much as a crop collars. You are good to go. Blood time. Oh, it's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Ikaw nga dyan. Hindi ko natitik din siya.
He said I was good to go.
Siguro.
Ang weird nung ano yung guys. Bakit? Pero
Ang weird pero ang angas. Ano yun?
Weird pero angas.
Papa.
Is there a problem? No, it's perfect. Very good, Candy.
Oh my God.
Good to go.
Kasi ang ganda pa ng ano niya.
Yung posture niya.
The best.
Can't believe. Parang iaalay eh.
Binigyan na siya.
Ang bilis, wait lang, parang nalito.
Nasa ano? Jacket.
Nilagay niya.
Lizzie,
Pati na mo sabi niya, i-change my life.
Lizzie Sparkle.
Oh, so isa din siya.
I can't believe it.
May sugat
Dito para
Fred,
Ano yan?
Fred from 10th grade homeroom. Hey, why don't we go out maybe for a drink sometime now that we're, reconnected? Oh, of course, I'm stupid. You're super busy.
But you know what? Why don't you give me your card? I mean, you never know.
This will do. Now look at my cholesterol levels. They're a disaster.
Parang talagang pinapakita na tumatanda.
Yung ba yung bibigay niya?
Now you've got it.
Ano bang...
Thank you for all these years.
So, pinakawalan na siya ng management. Ganun.
Parang,
Have you ever dreamt of a better version of yourself? Younger, more beautiful,
oh, parang
more perfect. One single injection unlocks your DNA, starting a new cellular revolution that will release another version of yourself. This is the substance. You are the matrix. Everything comes from you, and everything is you. This is simply a better version of yourself.
Ah, frustrated.
Hashtag pala yung kalaplo.
Baka yung ano nila ads, gano'n. Kasi pag ano yun.
And one week for the other, a perfect balance of 7 days each. The one and only thing not to forget, you are one. You can't escape from yourself.
Alright.
Hirap talaga pag hindi ka makapag-let go ng bagay na kailangan tapos na.
Sa lahat ba yan? Oo din.
Ay.
Tama na lang. Lalo na kasi parang yun yung nakasanayan mo. Parang doon na
Ano yung
ano yung
dumo?
mundo mo. Ay, nabisit na siya. Pero sayang.
Oo.
Hindi ako ganyan matulog na ako. Kumain ako yun. Gusto ko na matulog din sa akin. Ako nga talaga ako matulog.
Ay!
Yung ano, naglinis. Pinapapalitan na siya.
Siya ay siya pa rin.
Ayun na. Wala bang instruction yung paano niya?
Kung ikaw gusto mo ganun,
Parang
papabata ka.
hindi. Meron namang belo. Ay, di ba? Joke
Hindi,
lang.
syempre yung mukha mo ganyan pa rin, pero meron at merong mga wrinkles.
Ay, hindi. Ako lang. Pero kung sikat ako, hindi, parang okay na siguro siya. Parang hirap kasi ilis yung primeran kasi bawat ano naman merong side effects. So, baka mas mapaisip yung buhay. Kailangan mo naman. Challenge. Busy?
Kailangan mo munang maghirap para sa inaasa mo kaganda.
Sure. Wala nga, madilim. Wow. Perfect. Parcel. You are Tapos, message every 7 days without exception. Remember, you are
You are the Matrix. Everything comes from you, and everything is you. This is simply a better version of yourself.
yan yung activator.
What do you mean?
Parang, na dito. Maintenance na lang yung susunod. Hindi pala yung pag nauusan ka, hindi ka mabalik sa ano. Oo nga. Parang dalian lang sila. Ano? Nandolo ko lang tayo dito sa isip ko. Ala. Ala. Napansin mo yun? Ayun, pumayat siya.
Wait, siya ba? Bakit kaya sa likod niya? Bakit sa spinal cord? Anong ibig sabihin? Kumbaga, other version, gano'n?
Just like a whistle.
Okay.
Okay, oo nga. Tama. Yay! Ano, weird.
As in, nandun yung
Lumabas
katawan
talaga
niya.
siya. As in, sabi ko nga parang ahas na ano, nagbalat.
Hindi, pero kasi meron siyang kaanyuan talaga, as in buo. So,
Di paano yan?
kumbaga dalawa siya talaga. But remember, you are
Isa
one.
lang siya. Batang siya. Uy,
ganda.
niya, mukha niya pero. Ang ganda niya.
Iba din
Blue na yung mata niya. Blue ba yung mata niya?
Green.
Pag gandang-ganda ka sa sarili mo, kaya
Grabe, no?
Bakit? Si babalik din siya dyan?
Bakit tatayiin ka niya?
Hindi ko rin alam.
Parang hindi mo na yung dugo. Oh. So, para mabuhay pa yung ano niya, other side niya.
Tapos meron din sa kanya. Parang scary. I mean, pag kunwari ako, ginawa ko yan, parang scary.
O kumbaga, 1 week siyang ganyan.
Oo. Tapos kailangan niya ulit mag ano. Ala?
Why?
Everyday, kailangan.
Ah? Wait. Huh? So, ano yun?
Ay, perfect. Yan, magano siya sa audition.
Next!
Siyempre, alam na niya yung mga galawan sa loob naman. Ay, perfect! Wala na, panalo
It's
na.
like everything
Sure is in the right place this time. Please say your name, age, measurements.
Grabe, perfect. Start talaga siya.
I'm Sue.
Where is she? Where is she? What a gorgeous little angel.
Bakit pagka TikTok may nakita kong ganyan ang ano naman, relaxing?
We want a show that's just
ASMR.
you. Beautiful and happy. People need to be happy.
Before you go, I just have to mention a small scheduling issue. I have to be out of town every other week to take care of my mother, who's very sick.
Mother, the other side.
I want you for this show, and we will work around any mother, brother, fucking sick puppy you need to take care of.
Literal na Barbie. She's back. O-order ba ulit siya?
Ayun nga, yun na nga nakakapag ano eh. Wala na oh.
Eh? Ibabalik niya yung dugo. Papalit siya. Oh my gosh. Ay, katawan.
Aray ko, ang sakit nun.
Oo nga, siya lang yung may ano sa katawan niya.
Tapos kukuha ulit siya ng panturok. Tapos pupunta ulit sa kanya.
Ganun.
Ganon.
Yun, ganda yung ano.
Ay, wala na yung ano niya.
Bibigyan niyo.
We've all been wanting to have a drink with you for your departure.
Aray ko.
Anyway, we all chipped in. And we got you just a little something to keep you busy.
For 7 days. Ulit. Parang ang hell naman ng 7 days ulit niya.
Bumili siya ulit.
Your refill kit has been delivered to your deposit box. Kapak. Joke lang. Kapak. Tatagyan niya din yung ano yung
Open it!
ayun lang.
Sorry. I thought that Miss Sparkle.
She moved out. You wanted to complain about something.
Ay, hindi talaga fair mundo.
No.
Wow. Wow, siya lang gumawa
O
nun,
kaya
ah.
nga eh.
Ibang klase, ah.
konti.
Pinto. Para may damit daw siya.
Iba pala.
Ah, no. Oh, no. Shit, shit. Nakaparty siya. May night ano pa siya. No? Ngayon pa niya naisipan. Oh my. Huwag ka na.
Last drop. Taga dito din.
Tapos naman lang niya.
Oh shit, last drop. Oh! Ano? Ano, paano yun? Eh di ma... B! Ano? O di paano siya alalayas? Ha? Uwi siya agad?
Ano yun? Nandun siya sa bahay? Nag-party?
Oo, sa bahay mismo niya. Magano siya ng isang araw?
What did you do? You seem even more beautiful than before.
Paano yun?
Oh my! Ano yun? Panaginip? Panaginip? Eh, pero... Panaginip. Hala, parang lalaki.
Hindi niya sabihin niya, I'm her mother. Oh. Kulang.
Ha? Ano daw? Bakit? Nakulang siya pagkain?
Nagiging siguro yung ano kapag ano. Parang mas doble yung mga tinatanda niya tuloy.
Nag-take ba talaga siya ng one shot ulit?
Oo yata. Ay, hindi ko alam.
Yes.
There's been a slight misuse of the substance.
Like,
A few
oo.
extra hours were accidentally used, causing an alteration. So I'm just looking for the procedure to reverse it.
What has been used on one side is lost on the other side. There is no going back.
No, I don't know what she was thinking. And obviously, she was drunk.
Remember, there is no she and you. You are one. Respect the balance, and you won't have any more inconveniences.
Parang magiging kalaban niya yung sarili niya. Diba? Parang tuloy na hihingi yung sarili niya or naiibig niya. Diba? Ano ba yan? So, relax sila. Relax sila.
can I get you?
Ay, parang nababalan.
Mocha latte.
It's long, isn't it? Excuse me.
Siya yung
7 days.
si Blue Eyes. So, bakit yung Blue Eyes? Ah, siya ngayon.
Yung kanina. Ay, yung
Super tanda.
Kaya nga.
Parang pogi niya.
Did you follow me here?
I was just curious to find out how things were going for you. Each time you feel a little more lonely. What you think?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Has she started yet? Eating away at you.
Hindi kalaban niya talaga yung sarili niya.
Baka magkakaroon ng sariling utak yun.
Hi, Fred.
Para di siya ma-boring.
Maybe we could get together and grab a drink. I will see you tonight. Okay. Bye.
Parang nagmapanays ko siya.
Ay, tanong, ba't di siya nagkapamilya? Sobrang sa career.
Love na love niya yung kaluluwa.
Your body is more
Lang long.
Wala ha.
Tama na, Ti. Still matter. Hindi ka naman yung sarili.
Hit na niya yung sarili.
Wala na ba yan?
Contract. Hands between your legs.
Imagination.
Cut! Sorry, it's the control room now. The director said he saw something bizarre on the monitor. Bring up the replay on camera 2. Camera 2.
Hala! May nakita daw sa camera 2.
Can I have my dressing gown? Sorry, it's in my dressing room. Will I go and get it?
Ay, meron. Bro, what? Ayan! Chicken?
Hindi niya alam
Ba't
yung
oo nga?
ano.
Ba't pag tumitingin parang...
I mean, yung ginagawa ng other self niya.
This balance is not working. I barely have any time to enjoy myself, while she wastes 7 days stuffing her face in front of the TV.
Remember, there is no she and you.
Hindi pa nagilip yun?
Hindi kasi kapapalit. Pag may ibang show, something mag-prepare.
I'll get right to the point. We can't keep you on the morning show.
But why? I just
decided that we want you to host
Ay, chef. Ayun lang.
New Year's Eve show.
You mean
The network's biggest show. 50 million viewers live. You can't go higher than that.
Pwede ko nila pwede.
you don't open the door and opportunity knocks over the next chance. More people know this.
Nag-additional siya,
Oo,
no?
additional na naman siya. Ulit. Na naman.
When I have a whole week off, we can switch.
Shit, parang nabubot. Yung ano yun.
Reach na siya.
Yes.
She didn't respect the balance. She's stealing more and more time from me. Completely. Without consideration to the consequences. She's a selfish bitch.
Would you like to stop? You are the Matrix. If you are not satisfied, you can put an end to the experience and go back to
So, yan
being
na,
just you
na
on
sa
your
kanya
own.
yung mukha.
Would you like to stop?
Will it go back to the way it was before?
What has been transferred won't come back, but you can stop the experience
So, hindi na
as of now. Would you like to stop? To go back to being just you on your own?
Wala na rin naman siyang ano.
I can't stop. She deserves it.
Kumanda, ano.
Hindi siya yung parang,
Parang nababilis tuloy yung pagtanda niya.
tinitik niya yung year siguro kada panahon. Hindi nanigas na bini. Ha? Ay,
Just a little something to keep you busy. It all started with the morning show, and rumor has it that you are up for top quiz next week.
eh, gumawa siya.
Just a moment. I'm being told that you are going to host the New Year's Eve show. Can you confirm this?
Yes, that's right. Yes, that's right.
Oh my
Oh
God!
my gosh. Oh my God.
Yan na naman yung chick.
Everyone is aware that you were placed on this list.
Oh no.
And no doubt about it, you stepped in, you turned up the volume, and you rocked their world. Were you a fan of her show?
Sabi sa'yo, magiging ano
Not
niya.
exactly from the
Paano
same
niya yung sarili
generation.
niya?
And you have to admit, it was a bit old-fashioned. Jurassic Fitness, really. Jurassic Fitness. It needed a change.
Fucking shit.
You want to see some Jurassic Fitness? Here's your little beauty secret. I guess I just try to be myself, to be sincere and grateful for all that I have, and to always remember to lead with my heart.
Oh, I'm jealous. You are so
Control yourself!
Hindi ba siya pumura?
Gross, old, fat, disgusting.
Oh my God. Kinuha niya lahat. Oh my gosh. Yung laki na ang kinuha niya. Oh my gosh.
Ano mo kung ito yung mangyayari ang hindi ka nais na?
Eh.
I'm telling you, this is urgent. There's no more stabilizer fluid.
It means you've reached the end.
What do you mean, yeah?
You've drained it all out. If you want more, you must let the fluid regenerate.
Tell me how to do it. I need to stabilize myself right now.
You simply have to switch.
Ayun.
Excuse me?
The switch reboots the fluid secretion process.
forever din talaga, no? Siya,
I can't, Spence. I
sinobrahan niya.
can't.
Kasi diba,
Especially not now.
patanda siya ng patanda yung ano niya. Original self.
Bro, what? Grabe. Galing nila, no? Grabe. Joints niya, my friend.
I want to stop. I want to fucking stop. I want to stop.
Palit ng palit na mapansin mo. Palit ng palit yung ganun. Grabe.
Itong sa buhay. Itong dito.
Are you sure? Once you stop, you can't go back. You will simply remain on your own. Just on your own. On your own.
Tapos ginanon yung kamay niya.
Oo nga. Parang panaginip na naman to.
Wala na yung show.
Ha? Pero,
I need you. I hate myself. Come on. Come on.
oh my God.
Dalawa na sila. Sabi na eh, mangyayari yan eh.
Lock pa yung sinabi.
Sampak. Mag-i-injikan silang dalawa. So, unahan sila. Ano, sabi mo na.
Pag pinatay niya, edi mamamatay.
Sinabi sila yung Dua Lipa. Yung mata.
So,
Parang naman siya.
pas niya eh. So, buhay siya.
Ate Chelsea, din ay. Kung may mangyayari.
Feeling ko hindi natin. Para kasi yung sa Smile, something na na-take over siya ng curse na yun. Lagi nakasya. Tapos yun yung ending, ganun lang. Parang kung pag nagka-happy ending yung ano,
Yung new self niya.
tapos bumalik siya sa buhay.
Ano yun?
Ngipin?
Chef. Oo. Tiwen.
Have you ever dreamt of a better version of yourself? More beautiful, more perfect.
Let me introduce you to the shareholders. They have been dying to meet you. So smile. That's what we want tonight. Pretty girls should always smile.
Oh my God.
Ah! Antay niyo yun? Ah!
Ah! What the hell?
O, diba meron pa? At tinatira nun.
Please give me a better version of myself, please.
Oo nga, pero sa lyrics lang.
Ah, di may other mukha na naman siya.
Mas bata. Charot.
Baka si ano naman.
Ulit yung babae. Parang,
Ay!
ay no girl.
Ito, parahan mo na eh. Hindi madami kasi, di ba?
Oo, single use lang kasi nga, di ba?
Daming tumubo sa kanya eh. Kasi dati siya. Hindi siya isa.
Looks like everything sure is in the right place this time. Please say your name, age, measurements.
Monster yun.
Alam, hindi ko mapaliginipan ko yan. Pupunta siya sa ano, public. Feel ko.
Pretty girls should always smile.
Hindi man nila na mapansin.
Bro, nag-ilusyon na yata siya eh.
Feel ko ko din.
So beautiful. They love you. This is where you belong. You'll always belong here. Can't do without you.
Never do without you. You're irreplaceable.
She's my most beautiful creation. I have shaped her for
Oo nga.
success.
Oo. Kasalanan mo yun.
Nagre-regenerate pa siya. Oh my. Ano, parang carry.
You better boobs right in the middle of her face instead of that nose.
Pretty girls should always smile.
Hallelujah. Nakakatawa na nakakatakot na nakakalungkot na parang behind ng fantasy na yun is something na inaano in real life sa sarili natin. Body Bismarck. Ayaw mo nang tignan yung sarili mo kasi feeling mo mataba ka, feeling mo sakit. Parang binubuli ka pa lang dito. Parang binibiskas na siya. Mamarori na sa feel ko. Sabi, hindi ka pa ba tapos? Parang, makahinga ka na. Sabi, tama na, itigil na natin to. Para sa'y kaputo. It starts here, it ends here. Oh my. So weird. Yung utak ko lang, anong pakiramdam? Oh my God! So sa tiyo. Ang dami nang natapon. Okay. Grabe. Parang mag-roller coaster. Hindi mo ang galing.
9.5.
Ano yung 0.5 nakakatakot?
Nakakatakot. Parang piling ko pa naginipan ko.
Ang galing.
Pero ang galing. Sobra. Parang ang deep nung ano niya. Pinanghugutan. Sobra.
Hindi siya minadaling ni siya.